Hi guys, so if you are seeing this video, then you must have just clicked the promoter button and we are so happy to have you. So once you make that decision, then the next decision that you need to make is which promoter kit is right for you. So we are very open and honest with saying there are no fees, there are no penalties with being a promoter here at Le-Vel, but it is really hard to sell what you don't have. And so the best thing that you can do when you start is get the product in your hands and in your body so that you can promote it and help your family financially as soon as possible. So let's talk about the kits and what might be right for you. So we have 3 kits and we're gonna go through them one at a time. And I've broken it down here pretty simple. So the first kit is $200 and it's called our starter kit. And essentially it's 1 full month of product that you'll customize. So you get 1 box of vitamins, you can get men's or women's, 2 boxes of shakes, you can pick your flavor, and then 1 box of DFTs. Now this price, when I'm talking about the $200, that is if you do not upgrade your patch. So if you're just sticking with level 1, which a lot of people do when they start, but if you upgrade your patch, you will pay extra for that. So the starter kit, you're gonna pay $200. Its value is about $204. So you don't have to buy a kit. You can buy those things individually, but you're gonna save about $4 if you do, and you'll also get $10 in Thrive credits, which is nice. Okay, so we don't actually sell a ton of starter kits. It's pretty obvious why. The value is not huge there, but the value is very large in the next one. Let me show you. So this is the one that we sell the most of. It is the most popular, well, company-wide, but especially here on Team Balance. And it's pretty obvious why also as well. That's redundant, but it's fine. I taught English, it's fine. Okay, so the promoter kit is $400. Okay, so now before you think, oh my gosh, I'm not sure if I'm ready to invest that, let me tell you why it is the best investment, in my opinion. Okay, so with the promoter kit, you get 3 boxes of vitamins, and you can mix that up. Like you can get 2 men's and 1 women's, or 2 women's and 1 men's if you're starting. And this is your way of like getting your husband to do it or getting your wife to do it. This package will be really good for you. So you get 3 boxes of capsules, 3 boxes of shakes, 2 boxes of DFTs, and 1 free product. So I included here when I was talking about the value, an approximate cost of $50, but that really just depends on like what you choose as your free product. And so you're gonna pay $400, but the value here as a promoter is $608. Also, one thing that I should mention, when I'm talking about value, if you were to log in as a customer and add these up individual, it's gonna be even more than that. So what I am telling you is if you as a promoter purchase these things individually, it would cost you $608, but the promoter kit is $400, okay? All right, so then last but definitely not least, we have the $800 VIP kit. Now this is great for those of you starting this as a business, like you are ready to go as a business. Why? Well, it's gonna get you a lot of product, probably for you, a spouse, you, a friend, and a lot of samples. Now out of your promoter kit, what I like to tell people is it's like 2 months plus samples. So you can also get samples out of the promoter kit. The only option that you're really not gonna have enough product for samples would be your starter kit. Okay, so back to VIPs. For the VIP kit, it's $800, but essentially it's the promoter kit literally doubled in price and in product. So it's 6 boxes of capsules, 6 boxes of shakes, 4 boxes of DFTs, and 2 free products. Okay, so you're gonna get to choose 2 different things that you'd like. I highly recommend Balance. I highly recommend Activate. So those are your promoter kits broken down. As you go through this, you can rewatch this video. And if you have questions, please see the person who sent you this video, or of course you can contact me. Okay, wait, one more thing. So when you've completed this training, the next thing that you need to do is watch the next video in your list. So next up, I'm gonna teach you how you can earn this investment back through our VIP bonuses. It's really exciting, so don't skip that video.